do something njengoba ngithi nje ungena u8 emsebenzini vuka ngo5 ube nesikhathi osigcinayo ospenda ku-internet kube khona into ozenzayo akube khona into wena oyenzayo ku-internet one way or another because you are relaxing too much ngoba anything else that does not acquire you ukuthi kube khona umuntu ogcina efuna ama-bank details ogcina sekukhokhela something azi ukuthi awenzi lutho kahle mekuphela ilanga kuphela isonto engekho umuntu okukhokhela something with your services that you rendering but you are praying to God, you are fasting every time, you are refusing to advertise or stand out or pitch about the product that you are doing, you are not going to see God favoring you. If there's God, that this is a God, not God. Because a religion, it should not be used as an instrument. A religion is just for you to comfort your stress. But when it comes to this, ukuphumene enhluphekweni nokukhipha ingane zakhe enhluphekweni as much as abazukulu bangahlupheki ngoba ugogo wasebenza umkhulu wasebenza, you don't need a prayer for that. Your hands has to do something. You got eyes, see something that has value. Ears, listen to things that are good. Things that are bad, close your ears. This is what the Bible says. Ngoba abantu bafika la kuthina befuna izinto ubona ukuthi uyayifuna into kodwa nakenze lutho and le nto nje abayifuna uaware kuyona nokuthi abe align nayo. This is my daughter. Lana ngifuna ukukhuluma ngomuthi wesigubhu lana engisikhiphele abantu. We call it lesa sigubhu sihle kakhulu. We call it ayangiphazamise lento lena. Call it uthwaliche. Uthwaliche awabantu abangafuni isithwalo. Don't follow the word thwala ije. No. It's just a name. Uthwaliche isigubhu lesana engitheme ngisakha ngathi spread out ukuthi okay la abantu abathi bona sekwenele, they cannot end like this ngoba i-environment okuyona it determines you ukuthi you will prosper or you will not prosper. I-environment okuyona kuyenza ukuthi ingahambisani ne-wealth, ingahambisani ne-wealth at all. That is why if sikunika uthwaliche, also consider to change your environment. The best way ukuthi uphumelele ezintweni zakho, go and rent a place to stay. Sikunika izinto zakho kodwa ube uyihlalela le kwi-environment yabantu vese ababhekele ukuthi bana bayaphumelela. Hayi uthi uhleli nomuntu athi la ingasemtibazi lana erazi lana outside mhlawumbe na 23 years ngila. Khona into engahambi kahle. Uhlele endaweni engekho favor to prosper for 23 years. Njengoba ngikunika ke uthwaliche, change your environment because your environment must suit you, must support you to come out from poverty as well. Go and look for a space or a place where ozothi mwenze izinto ungabukhona umuntu ocompete nawe ngoba kune environment